Now that you've created a GT Portal account, you need to download the app to your phone or tablet. To download the GT app, search GT Independence in the App Store or Google Play stores. You can also visit gtsd.org/app, then select the link to download the app. The app is available on Apple iOS and Android devices. Your phone will notify you if you're not running the correct operating system of iOS or Android. Let's get started. Open the app on your phone or tablet. Turn on notifications and location services when asked. Enable location services for the GT app. The app only uses your location when clocking in, clocking out, and getting shift approval. The app does not track your location at any other time. Your privacy is important to us. Enter the same username and password you created for the GT portal. Read the app terms and conditions and check the box to agree. Select the Sign In button. Create a PIN for the app. Make sure to create a PIN that is easy to remember. You may also be required to add a passcode or screen lock to your phone or tablet. You're all set! If you have any further questions, please contact customer support. Thanks for watching!